In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a GIF in Photoshop. So the first thing you need is either to draw in your GIF images, so the images out of which you would like to make a GIF, or download them and import them inside your Photoshop. In my case, I'm going to draw them. So the first layer is going to be a simple eye over here, nothing special. And then I'm going to create yet another layer, okay? So I'm going to simply duplicate this layer. There we go. Put the copy on top. There we go. I'm going to create the other eye like this. There we go. And then it looks a bit derpy, but it's a tutorial, doesn't matter. And then I'm going to create the third layer, which is going to be simply a mouth of the smiley face. And let's say I want to give it a tongue as well. I'm going to create the fourth layer, and I'm going to simply give it a little bit of a tongue. Okay. Now let's say that's cute. And if you want to, for example, add a nose, we can do that too. There we go. And now we have everything that we need. Now, in order for you to make a GIF out of this, all you have to do is go to Window up here, look for the timeline over here, click on it, and then make sure nothing is selected on your screen so we can see this part over here, which says Create Frame Animation. Now, in case it says Create Video Timeline, make sure you click this down arrow and press Create Frame Animation. And then once in here, you want to click Create Frame Animation. And then you want to go to these three lines over here and click on Make Frames from Layers. Okay. Now, as you can see, it made frames from layers over here for me. And then you want to go down here where it says Forever or Once, depending on what it says for you. And you want to click on Forever. Okay. And now if I play this, as you can see, it's going to make a GIF. Okay. Now, of course, it would be more logical for me to make the first layer blank, so it would kind of start from blank and then end with a blank face. But it doesn't matter because it's just a tutorial. And then once you've done that, you want to go to File up here, and then you want to go into Export, and then Save for Web Legacy. You want to press this. And then you want to simply save this, okay? You want to save this somewhere onto your computer. Let's say I want it on my desktop. I'm going to click Desktop. I'm going to name it Smiley Face. And then you want to click Save. There we go. It will save it to your wherever you put it. And I'm going to click Show Desktop Icons right now. And as you can see, we got a smiley face GIF. And if I open this up, it's a GIF of this smiley face, okay? Now, it's not the best polish since I've made it on a transparent background, but you get the point, and that's how you make a GIF inside Photoshop, and I hope this video helped you out.